Hello, I'm Amanda, and today we're going to evaluate strengths and areas needing improvement of the technology adaptive learning and personalization. We'll use the BUILDS framework to guide our analysis. By the end of this lesson, I believe you'll feel confident in understanding the pros and cons of using adaptive learning and personalization in your learning design projects. What is the BUILDS framework? It's an evaluation tool that helps us look at technology from 6 different perspectives: business, user experience, impact, learning, dependencies, and signals. Let's start with business value. Adaptive learning brings personalized content to learners, making training more effective and efficient. The strength here is that by catering to individual needs, organizations can reduce unnecessary training time. However, the cost and complexity of implementing adaptive platforms can sometimes be a challenge. So, it's great in the long run but might require some upfront investment. Next, we have user experience. Adaptive learning really shines here. It tailors content based on each learner's progress and preferences. The strength is a personalized experience. Learners feel more engaged. But there's room for improvement. If the technology isn't intuitive or doesn't align with familiar tools, learners might get frustrated. It's all about making it as easy as possible for everyone. Now let's talk about impact. Adaptive learning has the potential to revolutionize training, especially for organizations with diverse learners. It adapts to everyone's needs and boosts satisfaction. However, accessibility can be a concern. We need to ensure that everyone, including learners with disabilities, can benefit from these tools. A more inclusive design would make a huge difference. On to learning. This is where adaptive learning is fantastic. It supports various learning methods, whether it's individual learning or group collaboration. The flexibility to provide tailored learning activities is a big plus. But to get the most out of it, organizations need to design content that supports this flexibility, so more planning up front can make the technology really effective. Dependencies. Adaptive learning relies on a lot of things working together: data collection, robust learning management systems, and content personalization tools. If those aren't set up well, the system can fall apart. So, while it has amazing potential, you need the right technology infrastructure to support it. Let's look at signals for adaptive learning. One strength is that the demand for AI-powered personalization is rising fast. Investments show that this is a long-term trend, not a passing fad. But a weakness is that many companies are still in the testing phase. Until the supporting systems, like data analytics, fully mature, we may face some bumps along the way. So, while the signals are promising, there's still room for caution. Let's do a quick recap. Using the BUILDS framework to analyze adaptive learning and personalization helps us see the full picture. Remember, it's all about understanding how technology can really make a difference. Adaptive learning brings amazing value by tailoring content to individual learners' needs. But we have to consider costs, usability, accessibility, and the infrastructure needed to support it. There's definitely room for improvement, but the potential is exciting.